funny sound?
I don't know. What you looking at me for?
Well, most funny sounds in this flat tend to emanate from your vicinity.
Why didn't you do it? Is that funny noise?
Oh, shush.
Right?